Good morning, student. Today I am here to discuss a very interesting phenomena which you see in nature in daily life, and that is the blue color of the sky and also the red color of the sun during sunrise, the red color of the sun, and many other things. So our basic topic today, student, is the scattering of light. First I will explain you, student, the meaning of the word scattering. What does this word means? Suppose I have a light ray traveling like this. There is the ray of light, student. Okay, student, it is traveling. Now suppose, student, from here the atmosphere starts. Atmosphere starts from here, okay? And this is vacuum. As you know, atmosphere means here we have air particles. Air particles are there, student. Okay, student. Now here you know the ray of light which is traveling here, student. Okay, it is traveling straight. Say like this. And suppose a person is standing here. So from this ray there is no light which is entering in his eyes. So this ray of light he cannot see it. Cannot see, because if you remember, student, how a person or we see an object, the light ray from that should enter our eye. Here this ray is traveling straight, nothing is coming this side, so he cannot see it. But student, here what happens, you see here, as the light ray encounters the particles, it is scattered, it is spreading, student. And this ray, you can imagine, it is becoming thin and thin as it is. It is scattering, student. Spreading. I will not say scattering, it is spreading now. Now if a person stand is here, this ray of light reaches his eyes, student. And he can see the ray of light. So what is happening here, student? Here there was a vacuum, light was traveling straight. Here as soon as it enters the atmosphere, as soon as it strikes the air particles, the light started spreading, the rays are spreading, see. This spreading of light, student, this spreading of light in different direction, when passing through medium, is known as scattering of light, student. Scattering. So have you understood the basic meaning of scattering? It is the spreading of light while encountering the particles or while passing through a medium. Light is scattered. Okay, student? Now, about this particle, student. These particles are of different sizes. Okay, student. This particle, they are of different size. One is larger size particles like water particles, dust particles, second is smaller size particle. Example, oxygen gas, nitrogen molecule. Okay, student. Now this scattering of light, this spreading of light, okay, it depends on the size of this particle. These particles behave differently with the ray of light. These particles, they behave differently. Okay, student. Now when the light is passing through this larger size particle, larger one, student, here what happens is, I am drawing the figure here, student. Here what happens is, the ray of light which is traveling, it is scattered it scatters all the colors equally. For example, the range of the color is this, student. White light consists of all these colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. This particle will scatter all the colors equally. So the person who is looking here, he will see as a white light only. But what happens, student, when the ray is passing through smaller size particles like oxygen gas, as in the atmosphere? Here what happens, student, when the ray of light is passing, here what happens, these particles, they scattered blue light more. As compared to other color. Means this side of the spectrum is scattered more, student. Blue side. Means blue color is scattered more. This is scattered, more scattering. This range of colors is less scattering. Understood, student, how different size of the particle behave differently with a ray of light, with different colors of light? If the particles are a smaller size, lower wavelength, the blue color, they are scattered more. And if the particles are of larger size, all the colors are scattered equally. All the colors are scattered equally. Okay, student. And that is why, student, the clouds appears white in color. Cloud appears white in color. Okay, student, why cloud appears white? You understood. Basically, the phenomena is scattering. Now let us explain the blue color of the sky, the main question of this chapter. The basic of scattering I have explained you. Suppose, student, this is the sun rays. And light is traveling from sunlight. This is the earth. Okay, student. Here the light is traveling from the sun. See, this is the layer where the atmosphere starts. or from here up to here, this is the atmosphere. Okay, student. Now, student, what happens? See, here there is a vacuum. Light will travel straight, but as soon as it enters the atmosphere, what happens, student? You see, as just now I told you, the lower wavelength color, the blue, they are scattered more. Okay, student. Because here the particles are of smaller size in the atmosphere. Smaller size particles. Now if a person stands here and look towards this direction, this blue light will enter his eyes. Or he looks in this direction, the blue color will enter his eyes. And hence, student, the sky will appear blue in color. Because the atmospheric particles, it is scattering the blue color most, it is spreading the blue light most. But what happens, student, if a person stands here? There is no rays coming this side, so he will see a dark sky. And that is why, student, for astronauts, the sky appears to be dark. It is due to the absence of scattering phenomena. Okay, student. So you have to remember why sky appears blue. It is the scattering phenomena, and you have to explain related to size of the particle, which I have explained. Smaller size, they scattered the lower wavelength, blue color side the most, and that color which enters our eyes we can see. Now let's, student, understand what happens during the sunrise and sunset. Why it appears red in color. Again, student, this is the earth. Here a person is standing. At noon time, this is the sun. This is at noon time. And during the sunrise and sunset, okay, student, this is sunrise, sunset. Now, student, what happens? If you see this distance and if you compare this distance, this is much larger than this. Now, what happens is, since the distance is less here, the light which is scattered, all the colors are scattered very little and very less equally. Okay, student? The blue light is scattered much less because distance is very less scattering. Less amount of scattering of blue because distance is very less. So since all the colors are equally scattered, you can imagine, so it appears white. Now what happens here, student? You see, as the rays are traveling, the blue color is scattered and it is a very large distance. So they are scattered much high amount of scattering. Of blue color. So here student, the ray of light which is reaching the eyes of a person is red, or the reddish portion you can see. This part students is spectrum. This part is reaching. Because it is scattered much away, far away. We cannot see. It is not reaching the eyes of the person. So red light is reaching the eyes. Hence, sun appears reddish. During the sunrise and sunset. So student, we have understood today why the sky appears blue in color, why sun appears red, why cloud appears white in color. Now student, I will give you one more example. Suppose I have a glass vessel kept here. Okay student, here some liquid is there. Now here I have a torch. Say it is emitting red light. Okay student. Now what happens is, this solution appears red. Means a person who is standing here, he will see red color solution. But here see the red light, here if a person is standing, here no light is scattered, red color is scattered least, cannot see any color. Here also if he is standing, this portion cannot be seen. But here this portion, the path is visible. The path of light is visible student. Okay. This is known as Tyndall effect. What is Tyndall effect student? By the help of which the path of the light becomes visible. And how it is visible? Due to scattering phenomena student. Okay student. Now I will demonstrate one experiment which will explain the scattering of light. Experiment student. Here I have taken a large vessel. Okay student. Here there is a source of light. Source of light. And here a convex lens. This solution, water, here I have added sodium thiosulfate plus little concentrated H2SO4. Okay. So this is known as colloidal solution. Okay, student. Here also I have kept one convex lens and here one screen. This is convex lens, student. Okay. Here I can see after this solution is made, we can see suspended sulfur particles will be seen here. Sulfur particles we can see after making of this solution, student. Now, student, what happens when ray of light is passed? This length is adjusted, it equals the focal length. This is also same focal length. Okay. Now what happens, student, when ray of light is passed? See. The first observation was seen is here the red spot comes. And if you see from here, if anybody sees from here, the whole solution appears blue. For a person, this blue color reaches his eyes. So what happens, student? Now you can understand the phenomena which is happening in the atmosphere. These sulfur particles, they are scattering the blue color most. Smaller particles they are. So this solution is appearing blue in color. So person standing here, you will see a blue color around. But here on the screen, the red spot is there. Because the blue color is scattered most here. All the blue lights are mostly scattered. The remaining color, I am writing here, student, the remaining color, red, reaches. The same thing, student, happens in the atmosphere, in our nature. There is the atmosphere, from the sun rays, light comes, in the atmosphere it is scattered, and the red color which is this scattered reaches here. So the sun appears red in color. So this is one of the experiments which demonstrates, student, the scattering of the light. So basically you have to remember, it depends on the size of the particle. Smaller size, the blue color is scattered most. Like this you can explain, student, all the question now. Why the color of the sky is blue? Why the color of the sun is red during sunrise and sunset? What is Tyndall effect, student? Remember, Tyndall effect, it is the path of the light becomes visible. That is known as Tyndall effect. This you can see in the morning time also, in the canopy of the forest, this Tyndall effect can be seen, where the light rays enters from the sun rays in the forest. You can see the path of the light, student. Sometimes this you may observe in a dark room also. If some hole is there in the window or a door, when the sunlight enters, you can see the particles of the dust, you can see the path of the particles. That is also the Tyndall effect, student. The basic phenomena is scattering of the light. Thank you, student.